all, welcome back to my channel. So it's an interesting video and I was so excited to make this video, and the reason is because I was awaiting these products for a long time. So what is it about? Today I got my products from the Nykaa, and the products are Sugar Smudge Me Not Mini Lipsticks. These are 4 in colors. These are nude as they say, but I don't think so they are nudes. And it is say complimentary because on the Independence Day sale, if you buy anything above $9.99 from Sugar, you are going to get this complimentary. So I got this one, and let's see how it looks. First of all, I love the packaging. There was this white sticker holding it, so I had to tear it apart, and then you have to take this thing out, and you can see this is a very beautiful black box. Again, the matte finish, very nice finish, very well done. Then I open it. What you see are these 4 pretty lipsticks, which I can't really say how beautiful this box looks. Even you can gift it to someone. I just love it. And now I'm going to swatch each and every one of these to you. I guess they sell it separately as well, because the price of this is $250 as written on this one, and the shade is 03 Tan Fan. This is what the lipstick packaging look like. This is very nice, I guess, but these are really mini. You can see that it is like index finger long. This is the another shade, which is 04, and the name is Plum Yum, which is not my kind of a shade. So this is what it looks like. This is the 3rd shade, 09 Sauve Mauve, and it looks like this, guys. This is the 4th shade, and this is the Dose of Rose. Okay, so guys, the few things about these lipsticks. First of all, the Sugar has done the great work with the packaging, with the quality. I simply love it. There is nothing to complain about. And about the shade, these are the pink shades. I won't call them nude as they have suggested. These are not nude, but these are very pretty shades. And one more thing, that it does not transfer on the objects. Suppose if you're drinking water, it is not going to transfer on your cup. So this is very amazing, because this is really matters to me. It looks very weird when the lipsticks transfer on the utensils and stuff like that. And second, the stay is very good. This is meant to be on your lips. It's not going to go away from your lips easy. And the very best thing, which is the best part about these lipsticks, are the applicator is so nice. Otherwise, in most of the liquid lipstick, it is a bit difficult to apply the lipstick, but the applicator in this one is so sturdy. I simply love it. I can definitely suggest you all to buy these are amazing lipsticks, guys. I am very happy that I have got them complimentary on this purchase this Independence Day. So I can't really expect more from these given the price range. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It means a lot. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Bye bye.